quantity equation by method of by completing the square, or find the roots of the quantity equation by method of completing square. Because in previous video I explained about the concept, like they are related with the algorithm we write down, how we find the roots or find the value like with the help of completing square. So now in this video we have the example based, like we write down some questions and then find the roots with the help of by completing square. So now the question is saying find the roots or solve the quantity equation by method of completing square. So there are two questions, so one by one here we solve with the help of completing square. So now first we write down the first part of this question solution. Like first we have the equation at x square plus 2x minus 3 equal to 0. Okay, so now here we use the concept of method of completing square, in which the first concept I again revise it. If any value with x square is given or coefficient of x square is given, then first concept is you divide by the coefficient of x square. And in this equation we have the coefficient of x square is 8, so divide by 8. Okay, so then we have x square 2 by 8 of x minus 3 by 8 equal to 0. Okay, but now here we simplify 1 by 4. So after simplification we have 1 by 4 of x and minus 3 by 8 equal to 0. Okay, so now the second concept, you bring out the value of coefficient of x here, outside you write down. Okay, outside value is 1 by 4 and that value multiply 1 by 2, because any value given with the coefficient of x after dividing the coefficient of x square, you bring out outside and that value multiply by 1 by 2, then resulting term like you have 1 by 8. So this term of square adding and subtracting in the given equation. So 1 by 8 means first you taking the square and then adding and subtracting. Adding and subtract. Okay, so now we have x square plus 1 by 4x plus 1 by 8, because basically you write down the first positive value first and then negative value 1 by 8 of whole square and then minus 3 by 8 equal to 0. Okay, so now first three terms are written here and then rest of the terms to sit on the right hand side, because now this term is making the whole square concept. You have a square plus 2ab plus b square, so a square plus 2ab plus b square, that is a plus b of whole square. So now you use the concept of this identity and now this equation convert into the complete square, like x plus 1 by 8 of whole square equal to, now 1 by 8 whole square here minus sign, so on the left hand side you have plus 1 by 64 minus 3 by 8, here also plus 3 by 8. Okay, and then taking the LCM is 64, so 1 and now I take the 64, 8 3 is 24. Okay, so 25 by 64 you have here after simplify, and left hand side you have x plus 8 of whole square. Okay, so now this square sign remove on the right hand side, then it is converted into the square root. So you put the root sign here 25 by 64. But because of removing the square sign, then right hand side you put the square sign and now you have the plus minus sign also here. So x plus 1 by 8 and then plus minus. Now we know that 25 that is a square root of 5 and 64 that is a square root of 8. So now we have plus minus 5 by 8. Okay, so there are two signs, plus and minus. So first you taking the plus sign here. So you took like x plus 1 by 8 equal to 5 by 8 and then sit on the right hand side you have 5 by 8 minus 1 by 8, that is 5 minus 1 by 8 is 4 by 8. Okay, so you have 1s and 2s are. So first value we got it, like implies you have x equal to 1 by 2. Similarly you have the minus sign, then x plus 1 by 8 but minus 5 by 8 you have here. So x equal to minus 5 by 8 minus 1 by 8 and then you have 8 like minus 5 and minus 1. So minus 6 by 8, that is 3 by 4. So you have minus 3 by 4. So there are two answers, x equal to 1 by 2 and minus 3 by 4, because you have the quadratic equation, so there are two roots, and now both the roots are 1 by 2 and minus 3 by 4, and now here we solve with the help of completing square method. Okay, so that is very easy method. I again explain. Any value with x square, like coefficient of x square, always you divide by the whole equation and then you bring out the coefficient of x outside and then you multiply by 1 by 2. Resultant term you taking a square, adding and subtracting in the given equation, always you put plus sign first and then minus sign, and then these three terms make a whole square, and the rest of two terms shift on the right hand side and then simplify, and then you got the roots of the quadratic equation. So now we have the second equation, like 2x square plus 14x plus 9 equal to 0. The same concept here we apply. The same concept, now you have the coefficient of x square is 2. So first write down, divide by 2. Okay, so you have x square. Now 14 by 2 is 7x. But 9 is here, so you put 9 by 2 because 9 is not divisible here by 2. So you write down in the fraction form 9 by 2. Okay, now you bring out your value of x, that is 7. And you multiply 1 by 2, then resultant term you have 7 by 2. Okay, so resultant term, now you are taking the square of the resultant term, so 7 by 2 of square, and adding and subtracting. Okay, in the given equation, now you have x square plus 7x. First two terms you put as it is, then after you write down 7 by 2 plus sign first, minus 7 by 2 whole square plus 9 by 2 equal to 0. Okay, so now this first three terms again, that is a square plus 2ab plus b square, that concept is related with the a plus b whole square. You write down since here because you use the formula, and then it is converted into the x plus 7 by 2 of whole square. This value shifted on the right hand side, 7 by 2 whole square, that is 49 by 4, and now minus 9 by 2. After LCM you have 4 here, 49 minus 2 is here, 2 9s are 18. Okay, so what is remaining now? 31. 31 by 4. Okay, so x plus 7 by 2 of whole square, and now this square sign you remove here, then I think you got it, x plus 7 by 2 plus minus square root of 31 by 4. Okay, so x plus 7 by 2 you put as it is, plus minus root 31, because 31 have not is perfect square and 4 is a perfect square, that is a perfect square of 2, so we write down 2 here, and then plus 7 by 2 is shifted on the right hand side, then you have minus 7 by 2 plus minus under root 31 by 2, and then you have the LCM is 2, minus 7 plus minus under root 31 by 2. That is a complete solution. But now you have plus and minus sign, so again you add on here plus sign. So you taking plus sign, then your roots are minus 7 plus under root 31 by 2, that is the first root, and now you took the minus sign, so your answer is minus 7 minus 31 by 2, because your answer there are 2, because you have quadratic equation and quadratic equation degree is 2, so there are 2 answers. So now this is the concept of method of completing the square, in which here 2 examples we illustrate like same, because algorithm is same. In algorithm there is no change. Algorithm of the basic general form we take there and then we proceed the same thing. So same procedure for any type of quadratic equation you apply, and then you got the solution with the help of completing a square.